everyone, today we are going to fold the paper crane. Prepare a square piece of paper. First, fold this corner to this corner. Unfold. Fold this corner to this corner. Unfold. Turn it over. Fold the top edge to the bottom edge. Unfold. Fold the left edge to the right edge. Unfold. Then, turn it over. Pinch the midpoints of these two edges. Press downwards. Form a small square. Then align this edge with the center line. Align this edge with the center line as well. Fold down the top triangle. Turn it over. Align this edge with the center line. Align this edge with the center line as well. Unfold. Open up the top layer of paper. Fold this part inward. Turn it over. Unfold. Fold the top layer upwards along this line. Fold this part inward. Fold this part inward as well. Now it should look like this. Pick it up. Fold to the left. Turn it over. Fold to the left. Fold the bottom point to the top point. Along the center line. Turn it over. Fold the bottom point to the top point. Along the center line. Fold down along this line. Turn it over. Fold down along this line. Pinch here. Pull it slightly forward. Leave this width. Pinch it. Fold down to form the head. Turn it over. Pinch the tail. Pull it down to the right, like this. Pinch it. Our paper crane is finished. Please subscribe to us for more exciting content.